Hi guys. So our team is team one, and we did our website on KnowUrTech. That's the company name. And um, our technological associate was Victor, and I was Firdousi. That's me. I was the business associate, and the marketing associate was Nabil. So for the introduction, a short introduction into our company and our website, our micro business. So, Know Your Tech is a digital microbusiness dedicated to helping everyday users understand and choose the right products. So, we created honest reviews, including pros, cons, like the advantages and disadvantages of buying those products, and the key features overview. It also had a final verdict as well as a analysis. So, we did it on four categories, which were the cameras. Oh, give me 1 second. Uh, can everyone see me? Is the camera better? Okay. So we did it on four categories, which were the cameras, laptops, phones, and mouse. And these were the four categories that we chose because these are trending. We don't use all of them every day, but yes, we do use laptops and phones every day. So the platform operates through affiliate marketing partnerships with Amazon and Newegg, and these are ways for like generating income without directly selling products. So we are not the sellers, but we do give the affiliate links to each product. And the content is distributed through engaging and mobile-friendly channels, and of course, social media such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And our website's mission is to empower users and our customers with trustworthy reviews so that they can make informed business decisions and they can choose the products that they want to buy. Victor, you could go to the next. So my internship role was for each week, I was the main like business person. So first week, of course, was the introduction week. So I got familiar with Lecturus, my team members, and the strategic goals of the tech business. And I watched the WordPress CMS. So it was just a get to know first week for me, the Google Analytics and AI. And then for week two, I researched the environmental factors of pastel analysis. All of our team members did kind of like one each, like they did the political, environmental, social. We got together and like we discussed about it, and we the most important thing that we took away was the pastel because we wanted to be clear about the factors that affect our business, and then that way we would have a better understanding of our business. So we did the pastel, and then I worked on the marketing module a little bit with the Nabil, and the marketing module included researching marketing strategies that can be implemented by our website. So we did the e-commerce research, online transactions. Week three was about different pay methods that are relevant and creating our TikTok and our social media. Week four, I completed the review post and answered some of the questions of the strategic formulation document. And in week five, it was more of the SBU metrics, the G BCGX metrics, and like all of those charts, basically, in the Porter's five forces. And the week six was, of course, preparing the content for our presentation and wrapping up with the final report. Okay, Victoria, go to the next slide. So business module, Know Your Tech is once again a micro business that analyzes, review technological products. And our business idea was basically inspired by the tech that's like people who are out there in the tech industry or even like throughout social media, they're just like they're excited about something new launching. There's always, especially among the youth, they're always excited about new things. So it is for those who are tech savvy and their deep interest in the tech products. Of course, our review vlog page consists of engaging articles, special deals, vlogs, links to products, and also comment section. For pistol analysis, briefly, I will summarize it, but politically, of course, the US has tariffs. We have the war going on. There's so much chaos in the world. So yes, they are raising tech product prices. People have to buy products with a greater price. Economically, consumer spending, there is a lot of spending also going on. People spend a lot. So yes, they want to spend as efficiently as they can on tech products. Socially, we have to create a trust. We have to create understanding with our like social environment, of course, our cultures and everything. So yes, tech products also fall into that because we have to socially engage with them. Technologically, of course, there's always the AI. Technology is always changing, so our tech products will be influenced technologically as well. Environmentally, factors like web hosting and digital efficiency, they all affect sustainability. And legally, of course, we have to follow the laws of the state. We cannot override or like do copyright laws for our website or any of the tech products. So Porter's five forces, we have a high competitive rivalry, and this is because there are many suitable startup blog websites just like ours. And there's always a low entrance to there's a low barrier to new entrances. So there is constant threat. And another cohort can easily produce a website like ours using WordPress or um, using any other like CMS platforms and stuff. So one of the advantages of our website is that there is a low bargaining power of supplies. And since we're not supplying directly, we don't have to take on any responsibility of that. Another advantage is the bargaining power of buyers. Again, we're not selling it, so we're just giving people the link and they can buy it themselves. The threat of newer review vlogs can appear, and as a team, we have to make sure that we provide our best content and reviews so that we thrive in the market and we're not being overtaken. So the internal scan for our website is obviously on KnowUrTech, and it specializes in reviewing tech products, and we did the internal scan together. So the website was built using WordPress, and it offers detailed reviews. And once again, the target audience are people who are well versed. Our KnowUrTech's mission is to simplify tech buying by delivering trustworthy and easy to understand content. It's for the social people. It's also the vision is to grow among our environment, among our community, and to help create helpful recommendations in the tech space for everyone. So this is the chart for the VRIO analysis. Of course, there's research behind every chart that is going to be shown in this presentation. So the resources are tech-focused content strategy, valuable, yes. So basically this chart in summary is it's a list of resources like such as the tech-focused content strategy, community features, SEO, integration with affiliate marketing programs, transparent reader-first content, and social media engagement. And what we're doing is in this chart, we took that information, we took those resources, and we tried to understand how relatively high or low is it in competition. And as you can see, there is a lot of competitiveness especially in the tech-focused content strategies. And there are advantages, which are like the community, social media, because of course, tech is on the brighter side, and people are always, um, people are always interested about technology. So this chart basically is a summary of that. And then for the GE metrics, we had three different charts, and we had the internal factors of our business, and then we had the external factors of our business that was affecting, and then we had the GE metrics positioning. So in summary, in the internal factors, it's a very deep understanding of what we did for our business and what we're trying as a brand to portray. So our brand reputation is like, for example, the rating is 3, and we are trying to grow awareness, and we are trying to market through our media. And of course, there is customer loyalty involved. You have to be very innovative with our stuff. And for the external factors in market is the market attractiveness. So this is more of how our business would do outside of our team members and our own people. So for market attractiveness, obviously there's the industry size and growth, the affiliate marketing, and consumer tech reviews, like how it's going to continue to grow and how it's going to continue to trend on social media. So there is the technological changes, regular product cycles, and saturated market, and of course, there is the market profitability, so the high ROI, and then there's the partnerships that are going to also be involved. So yeah, there's a lot of things that we have to keep in mind externally to make sure that like especially with keeping track of who is watching, how many views we're getting. So we have to be very, very attentive on that. And the GE metrics positioning is, of course, we have high competitive strength, medium competitive strength, and low competitive strength. And that all depends on uh, the parts. So, for example, like the maintenance is low competitive strength because that is our job to develop the website. So that's fine. The selectively investing on the TikTok and everything, that's medium competitive strength. And of course, the selective investment, like growing and marketing in greater ways, that's obviously high competitive strength. And then we had the BCG metrics, which is basically this is a very deep understanding of our business. So it's to make sure that we know where we stand as a business. Of course, the stars are always like the top part of your business, something that will always thrive. And then cash cows are something that is in between. So it's trying to become a star, but they can potentially become a question mark. Question marks are low market growth rate and low market share, so they are more like they're questionable. They can be they can also grow into a cash cow or they can go into a dog. And then that's the worst part of the business. So which we'll try our website to not be a dog. So dogs are like, there's no relatively market share and there's low market growth rate. So for us, I think we all did research, and I found out that the phones are basically the high stars basically, because phones are used every day, and as long as we keep track of our phone reviews and stuff, of course we can thrive as a business. Website development, that is a cash cow because how our website looks is very important. How it visually appeals to our audience, that is also very important. So that is a cash cow, and it can always become a star depending on how people like our website. And then the question mark is, of course, reviewing emerging technologies, especially with a lot of technologies being developed every year with new models and new features. That is a question mark because we have to know which technological products are most relevant and which ones are trending right now. And dogs will be like the articles and main page, um, because we have to obviously work on that and we have to build on it every time. So that is one of the dogs. So our articles page may not be as up to date all the time. So that's why I considered that that is one of the dogs of our business. So for review, there are insightful reviews on the camera products. So I was in charge of doing reviews for the camera. My personal choice, I did cameras because cameras is a very special technology product, and for me especially because I love capturing moments, I love capturing pictures, and I love posting and all that. So yes, I I love doing this review, and it was a thrilling experience because I was able to do deep research on different cameras, and it also gave me a thorough understanding of like what kind of camera I want to buy again in the future. So some of the cameras are good in low light environments, while some are not. And especially with Canon and Nikon, these are more of the known products, um, known brands, and they have a really great brand reputation, of course. Fujifilm and Panasonic, yes, they have, but they're not as popular as Nikon and Canon, which people use all the time. And they are more professionally uh, good for environments and stuff. So yeah, this was the review for the cameras. And on my reflection, I would like to firstly acknowledge Lecturus Summer 2025 internship because I was able to grow through this internship and it was a humbling experience. I worked with my team members who were great members. We all were very um, on it and we communicated very well with each other. So thank you to them and thank you to Professor Monica, of course, and Anona and Anais for being our supervisors. So if I were to say what I learned from this internship was, of course, how to build a website from scratch using CMS platform and WordPress. And also, I got a deeper understanding of the key importance and requirements of a micro business. So this internship was a project management. Basically, it was the whole purpose was project management, and we had a week to week, and like stuff to do task. So for me, it was also the project management part. Like I was able to understand that certain things have to be completed and all that. So I was able to understand maintenance, and how it leads to success. So how will this internship help for future jobs? So this internship will help me personally in finding better jobs because of course it will look great on my resume with all the different features and every detailed response that I will have on my resume about the internship. And also I can apply for project management skills that I have gained and understood, and also a leadership role because me and Victor were mainly like leading uh the group in, and then it was also like Nabil was also involved in it, so we all kind of got leadership skills, and we communicated in the meetings and stuff. We all did. We contributed. So uh teamwork. I was able to learn teamwork, and that is important. And when I go into the real job, that I understand I have to work with different people and teamwork is important. So if I were to dedicate a motto towards this internship, it would be teamwork, consistency, and guidance paves the path to success. So next will be Nabil.
Muted.
Sorry. Good morning, everyone. This is Nabil. Now let's walk through our marketing strategy. So at KnowUrTech, our marketing approach is designing to keep us visible, relevant, and engaging especially for audience who are already searching for tech solutions. We know that attention spans are short, so we focus on quick, impactful content that aligns with social media trends and platform algorithms. So our target audience include tech curious buyers, students, and anyone looking for affordable but reliable tech advice. To reach them, we use a mix of short form content, influencer collaborations, and trend-based marketing uh, that feels native to the platforms they are already using. We sorry, we prioritize low-cost, high-reach channels like TikTok, Instagram, and X, where we can gain action without large ad spends. So each post is designed for discoverability and in fact with optimized layout and visible that match uh, platform best practice. So we use affiliate links in our review that so that our customer remain so our content remains monetizer without distribute the user experience. A content calendar keeps our posting consistent, and we conduct weekly platform reviews using analytics to our strategy for maximum efficientness. So in short, our strategy is about saying early buying data divided and continuously engage with the audience in the way the customer prefer. Next one. So social media, this table. Um, so we go through social media. I can see. Here we are an overview of our social media engagement effort, which were vital in growing Know Your Tag and connecting with our target audience. From the very beginning, I made social media keep a pillar of our tag. I launched and manage our Instagram account, sharing over 4 original posts. Each one was designed to the from canvas and mobile. Also, this is the mobile friendly. So, and I focus on story lighting, not just showcasing each product, but explaining their like a few how we gonna do what we gonna do this week, next week. So using Instagram and I track engage to learn what work best. I adjust our strategy based on post uh, performance. I also make sure to respond comments. So I mentioned there, if you have any question, then you can ask us. So our team will respond. Yeah, next slide. So my role now, talk about my role. So in this position, I was primary responsible for shaping the brand's online communication strategy that includes everything like I lead the creation of social media content particular and also like I help my team WordPress to make review, and I research up on that. So using I made a picture for the review. So I use same thing as canvas. So I design custom graphics and visual templates on maintain a strong, consistent brand identify across platforms. So on the affiliate side, I work to platform like I added link from Amazon, that like our customer, if they click there, they directly go to the Amazon page that they can see the price and they can buy from there. So I went through like I did like uh, some research like e-commerce business. So yeah, next slide. Challenge and face. I basically, if I talk about like challenge, this group was awesome. Like Ferdowsi, Victor, they always help me, and the Ferdowsi already mentioned that our team was good with communications. So I have like few challenge when I work on them. Like one major challenge was balancing content quality with Instagram algorithm demands, ensure that posts were both engaged and visible. I also had to design mobile-friendly pages quickly, often under tight deadlines, maintaining multiple roles from writing review to designing visible require strong time management. I had to in I had to ensure everything aligned with the brand tone with or still stunning with our audience. Multitasking pros like research, scheduling, and platform performance check through me to stay flexible and focused. I also had to stay up to date with fast changing social media trends and learn how to write original review that were optimized from both SEO and readability. Those challenges helped me shape my skill in like problem solving and creative strategy. So lessons I will carry forward in future role. Next slide. So here, what I did for the work, like I wrapped up, I would like to reflect on the scope and impact of my work throughout this internship at KnowUrTech. I complete all assignment modules covering marketing, e-commerce, and technology research. One of the highest was conducting a pastel analysis that extremely examined both tech and tech trend and social influence. I create and manage our. I already mentioned that I like Instagram account. I posted like 8 pictures. So another key responsible was in affiliate link into. Yeah, I also mentioned that I like I added the link, and also Victor's he helped me with that. So I review another platform that I handle the laptop reviews also. There is also same thing as I also did for phone review. So there's like same thing. There is a good review. I research on that. So overall this internship has been it was great journey, and I learned like especially workplace and as like teamwork. So teamwork is the key of success for business, because it was our also real business. Professor Monica mentioned that this is our like real business. So thank you, our also leadership, Anais and Anunna. They always help us. Anything like whenever we had a question, we just text them. They help me. They help us. So thank you for them for that. Yeah, next page. Next one. Next one is inside sites and grow. In this internship at KnowUrTech has truly been transformative experience for me. I learned like my skill is improved. Like I mentioned, teamwork. I learn how to work as a team with my team members. I learn how in real life job. So I have to do those role. I will, yeah, those experience not only boost my confidence but also prepare me for future roles in marketing, tech, content creation, and brand strategy. I'm proud of the impact I have made during this internship, and equally proud of growth I have achieved both professionally and personally. Next one.
My part. Hello, I'm Victor. My role is a site lead in development, tech lead. As a tech lead, I was responsible for guiding the team through the full website creation and development process. I was completely new to WordPress and Elementor, so I took on the challenge of learning, researching, and testing many iterations of the site. I made key decisions on how to bring our vision of the business to life, whether that was a layout, design, and structure. I implemented SEO tools, affiliate systems, and I made templates so the team can create content easily. Every part of the site, from the visual design to technical functionality, was developed and maintained by me. Some key responsibilities was website development, pages being built, layout design, templates, integrating affiliate links, optimize site performance and SEO, categories, and user-friendly backend, and I oversaw all technical and visual aspects of KnowUrTech. So, from our site vision, I had to decide on how our layout will be and what pages we will have. On images, you can see our XML sitemap. So I decided on a review page, a home page, an article page, a shop page, and templates and contact and legal pages. There were some challenges I encountered while making these pages. I had to learn WordPress from scratch. I had to understand templates. I had to design a system that will separate review posts from articles while keeping a consistent layout. So, like categories. I iterated the site multiple times, couldn't design a final design. And to streamline for the team, I had to create a way so a single review post will also be a shop post. So affiliate links and reviews be separated. I optimize each page for SEO, and I had to ensure the mobile, tablet, and desktop versions were consistent. So for the final build, KnowUrTech, you see on the right the homepage. I had a strong homepage that will uh, encourage traffic to all of our content. There need to be a dedicated review and article page that'll showcase all of our articles and reviews. I had to build a simple post template so that the team can just focus on content creation and not learning WordPress. To do that, I use Advanced Custom Fields, a plugin that allowed us to have a flexible rating system and Amazon affiliate links and buttons. I had a functional contact form, privacy policy, affiliate disclosure, terms of use, and a tip page. User registration. Anyone could create an account, upload pictures, write bios, and comment on all reviews. The site is fully responsive for all versions, mobile, tablet, and desktop. Also automated reviews to be posted on social media through tools like Zapier and Buffer. Display the image, text, and links. That's the homepage. And here are some of the other screen grabs for the article page, shop page, and review page. And it's an example of a article page and a review page. And there's some other screen grabs of pop-ups and a header and footer. So for KnowUrTech, SEO and site performance were a big task because the site has a lot of images. So I use YOS to optimize SEO for all of our main pages, review posts, articles, and also use a Lightspeed cache so our performance could be better on loading speeds across all the sites. So key settings was like a page caching, CSS unification, and lazy loading. See on the right page insights from Google on mobile and desktop versions. Another major feature to say was monetization. So I had to implement that on every review post, Amazon affiliate link and buttons. See on the right, no commission was earned yet, but we have a bunch of clicks. And we also had a Google AdSense enabled that we could generate revenue from traffic. And we also had a tip page where visitors can support the site through PayPal donations. So all this monetization will scale as the site grows. My reflection of what I've done is I learned WordPress and Elementor from scratch. I face a bunch of layout issues, template targeting problems, and design visions. I had to figure out how to dynamically filter content using categories and custom fields. Solve technical challenges like affiliate integration, mobile scaling, and SEO setup. I gained confidence in designing a fully functional website. I learn how to create a flexible system that's easy for the whole team to use. And I developed real world problem solving skills. For KnowUrTech, there's a competitive analysis that compared us to competitors. So, biggest competitors was Tech Radar, Verge, and Gizmodo. These are all in the tech review industry. They have been around for years, massive budgets, high traffic, and strong brand recognition. They excel at content production, SEO, partnerships, place them firmly at the top of the industry. KnowUrTech enters the market with a different mindset. We're not trying to outspend or outhype major media outlets. Instead, we focus on building trust with honest, beginner-friendly reviews. Our content is lean, clear, fully controlled in-house. We prioritize user experience, performance, transparency over clickbait or clutter. In a market full of noise, KnowUrTech aims to be a simpler, smarter choice for everyday tech buyers. And now, data analysis of our Google Analytics. And the right, our chart of our most viewed pages. See, the slash is the homepage, which is our most clicked, and then our sharper picks, contact, and then some of our reviews, articles. So this shows that our homepage is strong and allows a strong site traffic to all of our other pages. With this information, we could focus on distributing more traffic to reviews and articles. Next, data analysis is traffic breakdown of where all our traffic came from. See, direct is 85%, but that's mainly inflated by the website production. But we have 6% organic search, referrals, unassigned, and from social media. And then another data analysis is trends, where we see more popularity in tech reviews being researched over the past 90 days. And another trend is best laptop for students, just showcasing people research what's in their budget for whatever product they're doing. So this gives us key insight on what markets we could reach. And in conclusion, KnowUrTech is a website that was created under the supervision of our mentors and professor. Throughout each week of this internship, our team worked on refining and trying to make the best version of our website. We each completed a module, business technology, and marketing. This was a great opportunity for all of us to learn how to create a website from the front end and back end development. We'll forever remember this project. Thank you. That's it.
Excellent.
If anyone has any questions, they can ask us right now.
Yeah. And also, Victor, can you go our page? Like we want to show what we build. So just
So this is the live site. We made a bunch of reviews, over 20 products. Here's an example of our review. We had a rating system and fill links. Click on another button, we'll link to that.
Thank you, everyone.
Any questions or comments?
No, that just look great. Wow. Congratulations.
For comments, I just like to say that's a really beautiful and detailed website.